I'm so close to being done with the wiring. Uh, I've learned a lot because I'm not a professional electrician, and if any electricians are watching this, they're gonna cringe at my wiring. But I hope it meets the minimum legal requirements. And if it doesn't, it'll just burn down. Let's take a look. This is a work in progress, obviously. That corner is where the power comes in. So that's 12.3 Romex. 12.3. So power comes in there. So that goes up and down and over here. And then it drops. And then it splits here. I learned that you have to put it in a junction box. So it splits there. And one lead goes to this switch. And one lead goes to this switch. This switch goes down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 outlets. And these are all 3 feet off the floor, so nobody has to get down on their hands and knees to plug anything in. This switch goes up and over, down to this outlet, up and over and down to this outlet, up and over and down to this outlet, and then up and over and down to this outlet, and then that goes up to these wires. Now I was thinking I'd put a ceiling fan up there, but that's right over the control desk area. This is where the control desk is gonna go. And so I don't want a ceiling fan up there because I'm gonna probably put a cloud up there, an acoustic cloud. So I wanna wire this over and put a ceiling fan there. Maybe, I don't know. I'm just gonna cap it off. And this will have, wire nuts on it, and that'll have wire nuts on it. And so maybe a ceiling fan there, maybe just a couple lights. I don't know. It's a small space. It's a small space, so we don't need a lot of lights. I already have a couple bathroom fixtures. I'm going to put this one over the control desk. And then I'm going to put this one on the YouTube studio sound recording end. So I know I put outlets up there, but that's just kind of a placeholder, and these will take the place of those outlets eventually. I just want to make sure I have it all wired up right before I go. And that stuff does, those fixtures don't go on until the drywall is up and all that stuff. So I'm almost done. I just got to clean up at the top there. And then, wait. Where's that thing I got? Hang on. Where'd it go? It's in a box. I'm not going to dig it out right now. But I got a ceiling fan, a circular box for ceiling fan. That's what I'm going to put up there. And then I'll just, terminate it. All right, now I have to go on YouTube and find out how do you terminate an electrical line. All right, so I just, I had some spare 12.3 Romex, and I'm all out of 12.2. So I just had a few feet to go. I mean, like less than 6 feet, 5 feet maybe. And so I just used the spare 12.3 and I capped off the red. I'm not using the red line. Let me show you. As I said earlier, from this outlet, there's a line that goes up there. Okay, I put a junction box up there. I just twist tied off, and then that comes out through a hole there to here, and I cap those off. That's where I'll maybe put a ceiling fan, but until then I'm just going to cap them and put a plate on it, both of those, but they'll be available for future use if necessary. So I think I'm done, at least with this part. I'm going to contact my electrical contractor, my electrician dude, and he's going to come by and do an inspection and make sure everything's done legally and properly and safely. And if he approves it, I'll move to the next step. If he doesn't approve it, I have to fix it. So once it gets approval, the next step is installation. And I'm going to get the highest R rating that I can afford. I'd love to do something like rock wool or earth wool, but I can't afford that. So I'm just going to get regular insulation. I think R18 is one of the ratings out there. The higher the R rating, the better the insulation, which includes acoustic properties. So, and then once I put the insulation up, then I do the drywall. Oh, I need to fill in that window still. If he can't come and inspect the electrical before Christmas, I'll figure out how to fill in that window. All right, please, you don't have to like this video because, you know, they're pretty boring. What's to like? But I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to my boring video channel on YouTube and tell all your friends about this crazy, boring, stupid video channel that you found on the internet, so on YouTube. So yeah, self-deprecation. I'm really, really good at